I'm Alma, Product Manager of Advantech's Intelligent Systems. The current automation market is trending towards compact form factors and intelligent designs that save space and boost efficiency. Thus, choosing a powerful, highly flexible edge computer is crucial. Advantech's new IPC-200 series of modular industrial PCs are excellent for industrial equipment manufacturing. The ultra-compact IPC-200 enables customers to save installation space for easy deployment. But don't underestimate the product because of its size. It is powered by a high-performance Intel processor. To ensure stable performance, the IPC-200 series features onboard I/O detection that automatically activates a smart fan depending on the temperature. The computers also have several added features that optimize the design for equipment applications. Firstly, the system I/O and dual hot-swappable 2.5-inch HDD trays are located on one side for easy access and maintenance. Additionally, the IPC-200 series system reserves an extra power output that allows it to power other devices without a power source. This ensures easy wiring and convenient maintenance. Advantech's IPC-200 series also feature multiple I/O, as well as 2 to 4 expansion slots and an iDoor slot, enabling it to support a wide range of industrial applications. Because industrial PCs are key manufacturing devices, they must support diverse expansion cards. The IPC-200 series are adaptable edge computers with an Intel x86 architecture. These PCs are ideal for integrating peripherals such as frame grabber cards and motion cards. Their high flexibility accelerates their time to market and reduces development time and costs. Compact yet high-performing solutions, such as Advantech's IPC-200 series, are essential for realizing Industry 4.0. For more information, contact your local support team or search the Advantech website for ultra-compact IPCs.